Okay, so now I think you have got the idea that how the few shorts example works. So it is very, very, very and super powerful prompt. Few shorts example. If you want to learn anything, if you want to build anything, if you want to build something from scratch, so it is a super helpful. I think you understood the pattern how it works. So you need to provide the input and output for few, so as many as you want, but the more detailed information you will provide to ChatGPT, the more better answer you will get from ChatGPT. So that is how. Suppose in this case I have given only three input and three outputs. Okay, so in your case it might be you can fit ChatGPT or any other artificial tools 100 inputs and 100 outputs. You can fit ChatGPT like 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh data you can fit to ChatGPT, and you can tell ChatGPT follow this way and response me. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear. I use this. Actually, I was not using, but I will use this prompt. Actually, I want to learn Kannada or Tamil language. I want to learn as I'm in Bangalore. So I don't know anything about it. A single word I don't know. So I will learn. So I will follow this pattern, and I will try to learn this language. Okay, so it is super powerful pattern. Okay, again, so let us take one more example and we will practice. The second example, see here, I think writing code snippet. It is for the coding purpose also. It is super powerful. You are feeding ChatGPT that this is the Python code, this is the SQL code, this is the JavaScript code, this is the Excel formula, this is it. And then finally, in number four or number five or number seven, you can ask ChatGPT, okay. For this word or for this sentence or for this uh, topic, I want to create a code in Python, so please give me that. So it will provide, because it is already feeded. You have feeded that chat gpt or any other large language model, that this is the pattern you need to follow, this is the response you need to provide. So now it will provide. For coding purpose, it is also super powerful pattern you need to follow. And now the example number four is creating marketing messages. So here also the same thing. You provide input, you provide output, and then in provide you, like that way you can provide multiple inputs, multiple outputs, and then you ask your question, it will provide the solution. Now here the example number five is the generic question answer. I will take this for practice purpose. Answering trivia questions, like you are asking what is the capital of France, it will provide the generic answer, the actual answer. Then you are asking who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird, and then like that way. Suppose it is a general language, general information you want to know, so you are feeding chat gpt. Okay, so suppose let me take this take me this let me take this example, let me paste it, let me take a fresh page. So I will paste it here, shift enter, and then I will go again. I will take the other examples also. I will take. Okay, let me take. Okay, let me take till four. Then I will paste it. Okay, so now I have pasted it. Example 1 output this, shift enter. Then example 2 input output I have given, shift enter. Example 3 input output I have entered. And then example number 4, this is my turn. Now I will ask question, any generic question, and it will provide me the answer. And now onwards, whatever I will ask, it will provide the answer. So now what is the chemical symbol for water? Okay, it has given, I have mentioned that it is H2O. What who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? Okay, the answer is here. I have given. What is the capital of France? It is here. And now example number 4, input 4, I will ask and ChatGPT will provide the response. Let's see. Suppose I will ask that who which team won World Cup Which team won World Cup in 2024? Suppose a general question I'm asking, the World Cup. Okay, so now press enter. Okay, so the team won the World Cup is, see, it is asking the team who won the World Cup in 2024 was the United States. I don't know which game it has taken. I did not mention which game, but anyway, it has given me the response. And now again, you can ask ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT that ChatGPT will follow the pattern, and now you can ask input five. Input five is capital of, what is capital of India? Capital of India. Capital of India. Now shift enter, you are asking output. Now see how it works. Capital of India, the capital of India is New Delhi. Okay, so now onwards, what you will tell, you are not supposed to provide input and output. You will straightforward ask the question and it will provide the answer. So it will remember the pattern, it will remember the and you will get the uh, by following that pattern it will provide the generic answer. Like you can ask simple multiple choice question, or you can create for students teacher purpose, you can create multiple choice question and some checklist question you can create using this pattern. So now suppose you are asking that color, what is the color of rose? COLO, or color of, what is the color of rose? Or you can ask only color of rose. Okay, the color of rose, color of, the color of rose. See, rose can be many. Oh, okay, okay. The rose can be many colors, including red, pink, white, yellow, or orange. The color of rose depends on its variety, and also be affected by growing conditions. Okay, so that is correct only. Okay, so it has given me the A. So I think you understood the concept. You understood the pattern, the how to use few shorts example. So it is one of the super powerful prompts that you can use for your practice purpose. If you want to build something, if you want to like a app or chatbot or any kind of thing, if you want to get, or if you want to get some complex task and to break it down in a step by step, like that way. And if you think that, suppose this is my topic is digital marketing, so I will provide enough information to chat gpt on any other artificial tools, enough information about digital marketing. So whenever I will ask anything about ChatGPT, so it will provide me the generic answer, it will provide me the accurate answer. So in that way, you can tell, you can create one format. It might be like input 1, input 2, like this way. You can create a format like question and answer. You can tell that your response, and the agent and customer also, you can create like that kind of chatbot you might seen in any other applications, than representative and agent, or customer or agent, like that way. So you can create a chatbot type something. So there you can fit chat gpt or any other artificial tools, and like that way, I my expectation is like this. My expectation is, I want to get the information, I want to get the output from that perspective. So you need to feed that information to chat gpt or any other artificial tools, and future on and later on, whatever you will ask, whenever you will ask, it will follow, it will memorize all the details. Chat gpt will memorize all the details, and it will provide the answer like that way you wanted to have. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. I think it's pretty clear to you. You have got the idea. I have given lots of example, 5 6 examples I have given. You create your own example, replace your content, replace your subject, your topic, and play with this the pattern, and I'm sure you will get some better output in future. So yeah, the main thing is you need to practice it, and create your own example. Okay, so yep, that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.